Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vine leaves. First, choose your leaves. Fresh ones are great, but brined leaves from a jar work wonderfully too. If using brine leaves, rinse them very well under cold water to remove any extra salt. For fresh leaves, quickly blanch them in boiling water for about 60 seconds until they become soft and easy to work with. Always remember to trim any tough stems from the base of each leaf. Now let's create the delicious filling. You'll need uncooked short grain rice, finely minced onions, and a generous amount of fresh herbs like parsley and mint. If you prefer, you can also add ground meat. Mix in some tomato paste and a good drizzle of olive oil. Season this mixture generously with salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of cinnamon for an authentic taste. Make sure everything is thoroughly combined for the best flavor. Next, we'll master the art of rolling. Lay a vine leaf flat on your work surface, with the shiny side facing down and the stem end pointing towards you. Place about 1 tablespoon of your prepared filling near the base. First, fold the bottom edge of the leaf up over the filling. Then, fold in the 2 side edges. Finally, roll the leaf tightly from the bottom all the way to the top, forming a neat, compact cylinder. This ensures they hold their shape. Finally, it's time to cook these delicious parcels. Line the bottom of a heavy pot with a few extra vine leaves or some sliced potatoes to prevent sticking. Arrange your rolled leaves snugly in layers within the pot. Pour over a liquid mixture of lemon juice, olive oil, and either water or vegetable broth. Place a heat-proof plate on top to keep them submerged. Simmer gently for about 1 hour and 30 minutes, or until the rice is perfectly tender. Enjoy your homemade vine leaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.